Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lesson is English month's name. January. January. February. February. March. March. April. April. Once again, January, February, March, April. Third time again, January, February, March, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. Once again, May, June, July, August. Third time, May, June, July, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. September, October, November, December. September, October, November, December. MashaAllah.